Steve.
And I'm Selena.
And we're from Aloha Concepts Marketing,
also known as your local granny.
Where our desire is to bring you value and provide solutions. Today, we're going to be addressing a number of things about our journey, in particular of why and how we're building a hub for our brand identity.
We're really excited about it, primarily because we met our new mentor, Vick Strizheus. And he is from 4%, and we really resonate with who he is and how he is working with us.
What we've noticed most through this experience is it's really nice to be connected to someone who's teaching you about connecting online, and he's participating or she's participating, or you're provided with a community where everyone's in unison, doing what it is that we're teaching people to do. It's really awesome. It's so much funner for us as opposed to alternatives out there where we're learning about something, but we're not doing it with the person who's teaching us about learning.
I really like the way you mentioned community too, because as a community, we are always kind of lifting people up and affirming what we're doing and helping each other. We do these hub reviews every couple of weeks where we look at each other's hubs and make comments about how we can make them a little bit better based on who it is that we're wanting to help. So,
and the principal thing we're learning is that a hub becomes kind of your own ecosystem as each person or persons building the hub. That becomes their brand identity, or they bring their lifestyle into being this platform that connects different people and different products and services in the online space. And that's been really fun to learn and address is, us kind of sharing ourselves as we learn to connect people who want to share about themselves in this whole digital revolution that we're all participating with.
So true. And as a result of what we're learning, we are recognizing that the way that we're building our hub is more about expressing who we really are. And so, like we were talking about before, we really want to bring you value and provide solutions. That's a part of our lifestyle. That's a part of who we are and what we do every single day. And so by doing this, for instance, our last video was about 5 steps to creating better video content. Someone commented that our background was a little bit, that could have been improved, so we changed our background. And so we're really wanting to engage with our audience. We're really wanting you to help us know how we can do better for ourselves, but also how we can help you with whatever it is that you're working on.
I mean, it's one of the necessary ingredients in life, really, is that, you help us help you, and we help you help us. It's kind of a symbiotic thing. So we're learning that to be approachable and available and lead by example becomes our brand identity.
Yes.
And that becomes the platform of what we're exposing on the online marketplace, I guess you want to call it, the online marketplace or space. And it's really quite a deal. And we're enjoying, as we're kind of being led by a tour guide, we're also wanting to lead others who want to learn about this journey of, having an online presence, being an affiliate marketing, in that loop to where we're not necessarily providing a service or a product, but we're connecting the service provider and the people who want to acquire it. And that's really an interesting concept, and it's a fantastic way for us to learn how to kind of pay it forward or circulate, currency. And that's really what we're trying to do, to build a way to help others help themselves as we help ourselves.
So as we find products and services that we're using, we're benefiting from, we're sharing those on our hub. And when we use them we do reviews on them like we're doing right now. We're actually doing a review of Affiliate Marketing Academy because we're using Affiliate Marketing Academy to build our hub, and we're learning about strategies, and we're learning about how to create traffic and build traffic and do all these things that we never really understood the way we are today. And we've been on, how long has it been?
It's been just over 3 months now that
Yeah.
we've been on this quest to launch our hub. Like, we've kind of been soft launching it now for about 30 days after having built it in about 60. But we're not, there's always a little tinkering.
Yes.
But we are getting to this point. We're coming around the home stretch where we can officially say that we're up and running and we have our hub. And, one of the things that we've learned is, although we want to focus on some items and communities that we're fully engaged with, there's other things on the background that we love utilizing as part of our lifestyle and the way that we fall into health and wellness and fortifying our bodies and or our spirit or our just our lifestyle. So there'll be what we're marketing and what we're connected with in our communities, and then there'll be also a little bit of health and wholeness and wellness that we found has revolutionized our relationship with ourselves and with our family members and our own bodies.
Yes. So we're really enjoying this journey. I think our primary niche or people that we're focused on is helping people that are like us. So we're grandparents, and we're wanting to help people who are we want to help anybody, but
anyone and everyone, but our demographic, if you will, is people entering into the retirement,
like us,
transition.
Right.
Certainly, we feel like spring chickens, but we are not spring chickens any longer. So,
right.
we're enjoying that transition, and we're wanting to connect with and be part of others who are doing the same thing. Because let's face it, it's a big deal mentally to go from producing and achieving and utilizing your career path to now having that wane, and then now there's a fork in the road and you're no longer doing it. Well, what are we going to do? Oh, okay, this is what we're going to do. And we know there's many others out there that are in parallel step with that. And so that's who we're hoping to corral us with you, and we all move together as we learn how to have an online presence and how to have a permanent, passive, perpetual, residual income as we help others help themselves.
Yes. So if any of what we're saying resonates with you, if you feel that you would like our help, we'd love to help you. We'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to our channel and engage with us. Let us know what your questions are, or please criticize our channel, because we want to do a better job, and we want to help you do a better job too. We want to lift as a community. We want to lift and be cooperative and help everyone that comes across our path.
And so one of the keys to any element of life is engagement or action or participation. So we'll make that commitment to you, and you make that commitment to us, and we'll hook up and we'll go on this journey that's really, for her and I, meaning my lovely wife, it's been really a little overwhelming, quite frankly. It's kind of like starting this whole new chapter in our life as we break out of our career and over into our what do they call that? The golden years. So come join us, and we have some great people and communities and networks, and we feel honored and blessed that we're part of it, and we want to share it with you, and then you can share it with others, and we just create this ongoing movement.
Great. So anyway, we're so happy to be with you here today. We love you, and we look forward to hearing back from you. Maybe you'll even give us an idea for our next video.
Take your time going, but hurry coming back.
Bye for now.
Bye.